Welcome back to Cooking in Quarantine. I'm Chef Raval, and today Brunswick has given us a really nice recipe for tuna patties and sweet and sour sauce. So we have our water heating already. We're going to add our sugar here. Let that melt. Our vinegar to give that sourness. Our recipe calls for a bit of ketchup. That's going to add that color, a little tartness as well to our sweet and sour sauce. Touch of soy. I'm going to add in some fresh pineapple in here just to give a nice little pop to our sweet and sour sauce. Now that's going, we're going to chop a bit of chili, just a piece of chili, give a little heat. I'm going to put a little garlic powder in here, just to season up a little bit. Pinch of salt. Put some cornstarch and leave it to simmer while we mix our patties. Alright? Here we go. So now we're going to mix our tuna patties from our recipe. We're going to start with 1 can of flaked or chunked tuna in water or oil, whichever you can get your hands on. About a tablespoon of garlic in here, a bit of chopped onion, there's 1 egg, we'll just put that on the side for now. There's some fresh chives, some fresh hot pepper. This recipe calls for a bit of jerk seasoning, just to give a nice little kick and a little spice to the cake as well. Alright, a touch of salt, some black pepper. So we're going to add about half of our breadcrumbs just to give us a bit of a bind. And we'll also be using some breadcrumbs to coat it before we put it in the pan as well, alright? I'm going to take like about a 1/4 cup to a little less than half in a hand, squeeze it together to a ball and just press it out into a patty. Fairly simple. It's not a cake we're making now, it's a patty, it's a bit more flatter. Just like a small burger patty. So guys, I'm going to use some peanut oil to sear our tuna patties before I get in the oven. So while it's in the pan, we'll give it 1 flip and then pop it into the oven, alright? So before we put them in the oven, we're going to spoon some of our sweet and sour sauce over them. So it's going to fuse into our tuna patties, just like that. And there you have it, Brunswick tuna patties and sweet and sour sauce.